welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a new folder in Canva. So go to projects here, and to create a new folder I'm just going to select add new. I'm also then going to select folder. Then I'm going to name my folder YouTube thumbnails. Continue. You can also share it with your team. So you want to move your file to a folder, for instance this one. Select these three dots, move to folder, and then select the folder that you want to move it, and then select move to folder. And you can, I think, do it more than one time, at like once I meant. So move to folder and then select the folder, move to folder. That's it, super simple. Now everything will be in that folder. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!